All right, so I'm just using my old International 244 just to do a quick fix in the backyard. Just show you with a box blade, small tractor, you can do a little bit of grading. We had to do some work on our septic tank once we filled it back in. Obviously it's settled and needed to bring in some more dirt. Well, we've got this huge hump on the corner that's, stopping some runoff, and water's starting to collect where the septic tanks were dug out. So just kind of cutting that out and fixing the grade to the back a little bit and filling that back in. I didn't want to run the tractor across the top of the tanks. It would probably be fine, but I was just worried about the weight. So once we got it backfilled and finished in, you'll see I got the little four-wheeler that needed to be run and just ran across just to kind of pack it in or track it in, whatever you want to call it, and turned out good enough for what we needed.